Welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today we're diving into something super cool, creating your own slide transitions using CapCut. Get ready to level up your videos and add that wow factor everyone loves. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on awesome tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump straight into the tutorial. I've already imported two images, one of a hand and the other of a vertical line. Both of them have a green screen background. You can create these images using any photo editor. But don't worry, I've also added a download link in the video description for you. I've also imported some video footage. Add any one of the videos to the timeline. First, add the hand image to the timeline. Enable the Chroma key option from the cutout or remove background section. Use the color picker and select the green color from the image. Now increase the strength value until the green background is completely removed. Move the playhead to the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Set the position of the hand image toward the left side. Now move the playhead forward to the 3-second mark. Move the image to the right side and make sure it goes out of the screen. Next, add the vertical line image to the timeline. Remove the green screen using the Chroma key. Using the same method you used for the hand image. Move the playhead back to the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. At this keyframe, set the position of the vertical line toward the left side. I've moved the hand image a little bit to the right side. Now both the hand and the vertical line should look like this. Move the playhead forward to the 3-second duration. Now move the vertical line to the right and push it out of the screen. At this point, you'll notice the vertical line is moving faster than the hand, so let's fix that. Select the second keyframe of the hand image. Set the position of the hand exactly as shown in the video. Now select the second keyframe of the vertical line image. Set the position of the vertical line as shown in the video. Now, at the second keyframe, move both images to the right and out of the screen. If you play it now, it should look like this. Next, add a video to the timeline. Move the playhead to the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Move the video to the left side, just like in the tutorial. Move the playhead forward to the 3-second duration. Select the video and move it to the center. At this point, the X position should be 0. Now select the top 3 videos and move them forward by a few frames. Let's add one more video. Reduce the size of the below track video until it matches the green screen image. Split the top track video at the end point of the green screen. Move the split clip to the below track. Copy both green screen clips and paste them on the same timeline. Adjust the size of the second video on the below track. Now add another video to the top video track. Just remember, the starting point of all videos must be the same. Place the playhead at the starting point of the second video. Add the first keyframe to the position. Move the playhead to the 3-second duration of the second video. Add the second keyframe to the position. Now move the playhead back to the starting point of the second video and select the first keyframe. From here, move the video to the left side accordingly. Using this same technique, you can add as many videos as you want. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.